My name is Jinsi, and I am a math enthusiast, and I am your revision buddy for the day. So we will be revising, and this is a math revision marathon where we will be covering many milestones together. That's why it is known as math revision marathon. And talking about who are we, the 98th percentile, we are an online e-learning company which caters to grade 1 to 12 math, grade 1 to 8 English and coding classes, and grade 3 to 8 public speaking classes, all at the comfort of your home. And here we provide a live environment, an interactive environment, not a recorded one. Along with that, we have a very small group size, that is 1:4 is the ratio that we have. And also, we believe in skill mastery and acceleration. And this is done with the help of fixing the skill gaps. Fixing skill gaps is very important so that we don't forget what has been taught in the previous grades. So this is 98th percentile. And talking about what are the benefits that we are providing, that is the personalized learning that is there. Then we have the monthly and weekly tests. Just as I told you, we have an accelerated curriculum in which we believe that students who are reached the potential or have learned whatever is there in the particular grade are now ready to move on to the next grade without spending more of their time doing what they are bored of. Also, we have access to award winning platforms, and of course the one that I just told you, the skill gap fixing, which provides you an 8 times value for your money. So this is the benefit that our students enjoy. And it's not only me. Okay, you may be thinking, okay, I'm of 98 percentile, so I'll be telling all the good things, but it's not like that. So we have our customers, with their reviews all around in the Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can see all these beautiful reviews that has been given to us. So you can also just go through this and you will understand how we are helping the kids, help you know in helping them cater to their future. So great. This was what our customers, and why do our customers love us. Okay, now talking about everything about our company is over. Now what is this math revision marathon? Now, as we told, this is of math, right? So we will be covering 5 domains, okay, of grade 3 in 5 weeks. It's not going to be in 1 week, but 5 weeks. Slow and steady wins the race. So yes, practice makes a person perfect. So of course, we are taking 5 weeks to cover the 5 domains here, and our students will be answering questions based on the grade and domain. Okay, and what happens here? Each expert will explain the question and teach that concept in a live session. Now, this is going to be a live session, and we will be utilizing Zoom and Kahoot. As you all know, it's a fun, we will be learning with fun. Okay, we will make learning a fun event here. So it will include 5 weeks of intense practice and revision sessions so that students are ready for their upcoming exams. But before that, certain guidelines for you. This is not a contest. It's just a practice session. So no awards for Kahoot winners, but yes, your percentages in your marks in your exams are the real winning or the trophy that we are expecting from you. And the questions have been selected based on the concept which need maximum revision. So do not panic in case we are missing out with any other topic. So, as there would be a large gathering, so addressing individual doubts would be difficult. But for those who are enrolled in 98th percentile, you can keep, just note down the problems or the doubts that you have and ask your teachers during the session. Okay, so we don't commit to touch each and every topic, but of course we'll be taking up most of the topics that is there. And but in case of any student is misbehaving inappropriately, then the host bears the right to remove the student from the session immediately. So students will be kept on mute throughout the session. So they can, you can use your chat section for any communication. Kindly do not unmute yourself. But if you have something to tell us, okay, if there is something you want to tell us, you can use a chat session or you can just raise your hand. And if we feel, yes, it is important, we will let you speak at that time. Otherwise, you may please, we will be keeping you on mute. So yes, this is all that we will be covering in these 5 weeks. First week, today we are going to cover operations and algebraic thinking, then numbers and operations in base 10, the numbers and operations fractions, then measurement and data, and then geometry. So these are the 5 milestones that we are going to cover, and that's why we are calling this to be a marathon. Okay, now how will it help you? It will help you to analyze and revise, be well prepared for exams in advance. And it will be exam focused classes, live practice session on Kahoot. You will be provided with practice worksheets also after this. And all this you are getting with no participation fee. So this is also a great thing. So if not, if many of your friends have not joined today, ask your friends to join at least from the next session. It will be of great help for everyone. So thank you parents for your time and understanding us and knowing us very well. But before you go, a small request, one final request, before you leave, please help your child in setting up the device. And what do we require? You have already joined the Zoom link, so it's good. But we require a second device. It could be a mobile phone or a tab, so that, in Kahoot, as we know, I will be sharing the screen. I will be giving you the game pin, and you will be, writing your nickname and coming into the Kahoot. But in Kahoot, you won't be able to see the options there. You will only be able to see the color and the shape, mathematical shape that is there. So you will be seeing the screen, and you will see which color answer is there, and you will be selecting that. So for that, we require a second device. So I request all the parents to kindly arrange the same, and then help them do the revision. I hope you are ready now. Yes or no? Can I get a thumbs up from you all if you're ready with both of your devices? Excellent. So you are aware of this Kahoot, right? Well done. I can see many of the thumbs ups here. Yes, Jaskareet is there. Isha is there. Yahi is there. Shambhavi is there. I could see a number here. Okay, Anandya is there. Great. Okay, Parth, please come quickly, 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 quickly. Great. So let the show begin. I hope you are all ready. Great. Fine. I hope you're all able to see my Kahoot window. Yes or no? Can I get a thumbs up? Great. So this is your pin, 4700112. 4700112. There is no requirement of you to take out the unique ID. You can just write your own name. That's fine. Join using www.kahoot.it and then use this game pin. Waiting for you, Anandya. Anandya has joined. Very good, Anandya. Yeah, he has joined. Simkia is joined. Only 3 of you. Parth, very good, Parth. I need to see everyone. Very good. I can see the numbers increasing. Isha. Shida has joined. Great. So don't think, okay, it's not a contest, so I'll not participate quickly. But of course, Kahoot has points, and at the end, we will have winners also be there. So be very, read the question properly and then choose. In some of the questions, you may have multiple answers also. So accordingly, you need to choose. I have 9 of us here. So we are totally, I need 11 of us here now. 2 more. Who is there who has not joined? And okay, are you having any issue? If you have any issue, please tell us. Can you raise your hand if you have any issue, or you can write it in the chat.
Hi, Jinsi. Can you reshare because the system sound is not audible?
Okay, yes, sure. Now, is it audible? Is it audible, Brinda?
Yeah.
Can you just confirm? Great.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Yeah, Anita, have you joined? Were you able to join it? Okay, great, fine. So with that, I think we are ready to begin. So all the best, everyone. Okay, all the best to you. Let me just, okay.
I just want to say Isha, Parth, Yaha, please join with your unique Kahoot ID.
Okay, fine. I think so we can begin. Okay, so we're going to start at, so grade 3, domain 1, operations and algebraic thinking. The first question, which expression could be used to find the total number of cubes below? Is it 6 plus 2? Is it 2 times 6? Is it 6 minus 6? Or is it 12 minus 2? Got 7 answers. Brinda, I think so somebody is talking. Could you please mute? Yeah. Only 4 seconds more. Okay, so 9 of you got it correct. Well done, seeing you get it correct. It's good to see you getting it correct. But yes, one got it wrong. But let's see how we are going to do the question. Okay, fine. Let me show the media and then I'll explain it to you. Great. So if you could see here, you have cubes of 2 together. So this is a cube of 2 together. Again, cube of 2 together, cube of 2, cube of 2, cube of 2, cube of 2. A pair of 2 is there. So we are going to use multiplication here. Okay, so we are going to use multiplication here. Now, as we see, the same set of 6 pairs are there. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have 6 groups of pair of 2. So the answer would be 6 times 2 or 2 times 6. That's why the answer here is 2 times 6. Is it clear to everyone how we got this answer? If yes, can you please give me a thumbs up so that I understand that you have understood it? Great. Very good. Parth, you have understood it. Very good. So let us see the scoreboard here. Okay, so who is winning? Parth, if you have some doubt, please write it in the chat box. We will take it up. Excellent. So Shir is leading us, the Manani, Jimupan, Mistan, and Jas. Okay, so with that, let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's move on. The next question goes like this. Xander read 24 pages of a book each day. He read 3 pages. How many days did he take to read it? Xander read 24 pages of a book. Each day he read 3 pages. How many days did he take to read it? 9 answers logged. Okay, the time is up. Excellent. Again, I got 9 of you correct. But yes, 1 of you got it wrong. Let's see. What's the problem that we are facing? Let me just click on the media and explain it to you. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, what was the question? Xander read 24 pages of a book. So there are totally 24 pages. Okay, so there are totally 24 pages out there. Now each day he's reading 3 pages each. So in how many days does he do it? So this is a question of division. Understand, this is a question of division. So 24 pages totally in 3 pages each. So we are going to do divided by 3. 24 over 3 would give us 8. And that's how we are going to get our answer 8. I hope you understood how we do this question. If yes, give me a thumbs up so that we can move to the next question. Okay, let's see the scoreboard now. Has it changed? Okay, I could see that Shad is leading again. Okay, so Jamupan, Manani, Jas, Mistan. Very good. Well done. Let's move to the next question. Third question. Martha gathered 20 bushels of 9 apples each. Write a multiplication expression to show the total number of apples. You need the total number of apples. 7 answers logged. 10 more seconds. Okay, so this has a little bit of change. 8 of you are correct. Well done. 3 of you are incorrect, but let's check how is it done. So see here, Martha gathered 20 bushels of 9 apples each. So there are totally 20 bushels like this, 20 of them, and in each of them we have 9. So this is a multiplication question. So it would be 20 times 9. And that is why this answer is correct. Okay, so understand, when each is given, that means in each of the bushel we have 9 apples each. So I hope you understood this question. Let's just, if you have, please give me a thumbs up sign. Let's check the scoreboard again. Oh, Miss Tan has a streak of 3 correct answers, but yes, Shiad and Manani. Okay, Shiad is again on the top. Okay, well done, Shiad. Let's see the next question. The fourth question out of 20. Build an equation to represent 15 circles being divided into 3 equal groups. So it is 15 dash dash equal to dash. 15 circles being divided into 3 equal groups. There are totally 15. It's being divided into 3 equal groups. What it could be. You have to fill this up. 15 dash dash equal to dash. Let's check the answer. Well done. 8 of you got it correct. But yes, 2 of you didn't get it correct. Let's see what it is. Okay, so the total number was 15. So it has been told that it has to be divided into 3 equal groups. Okay, you have divided it into 3 equal groups. So the sign would be division sign. And how many groups? There are 3 groups. So 15 divided, or 15 over 3 would be 5. That's why we got this answer. Okay, so I hope you understood this question. So with that, I think so we can move to the next question. But before that, let's see the scoreboard. Okay, oh God, Shiad, well done. Mistan is having a streak of 4 correct answers in a row, but well done, Shiad. You are again on top. Well done. Let's move on to the next question with that. The 5th question out of 20. Jane bought 16 bulbs, light bulb. The light bulbs came in packs of 2. How many packs of light bulbs did Jane buy? Is it 7, 14, 8, or 32? 16 light bulbs. The bulbs came in the pack of 2. Think about it. 8 seconds. 10 answers logged. Very quick. You are very quick. I should not have given this much time. Okay, why is this always in the ratio of 8:2? 8 are correct and 2 are incorrect. No problem. Let's check. How do we do this question? There are totally 16 light bulbs total. Okay, and each of them is in the pack of 2. So if this is 1 and 2, this is pack 1. So this would again be a question of division. That means there are totally 16 light bulbs and each pack has 2. So total number of packs would be 16 over 2 and that would be 8. Okay, so this is a question of division out here. So this is how we do this question. I hope you understood how to do this question, everyone. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Along with that, let me see the scoreboard. Is there anyone who has, okay, no one. Shia is again on the top, but yes, Jamupan has a streak of 5 correct answers in a row. Well done, everyone over here, but others also buck up in the next question. The 6 out of 20 question, LA has enough tile to cover 15 square feet of a wall. The tiled area will be 3 feet wide. What is the maximum height of the wall? The area is given, the width is given, and you have to find out the height. Very quick answers. I think so. One more. Okay, everyone has logged. Okay, so there is a good improvement here. 10:1. Let's check how to do this one. Okay, so as you see here, the area that we have got is 15 square feet. And because this is a rectangle, we know that it is width times the height. Okay, so we know that 15 would be equal to width times the height. The width is given to be 3 feet. So 15 equal to 3 times the height. Therefore, we get the height to be 15 over 3, and that is 5 feet. So that is how we are going to do this question. Remember the formula for the area of a rectangle also. That is very important in this question. I hope you understood the question. Great, let's move on and see the scoreboard. Wow, Shia, there's no one to take up Shia. Anandya has the highest answer streak of 6. Very good. Well done, Shia. Then others I can see. Very good. Let's move on. The 7th question out of 20. Devin bought 12 pounds of cement for the deck he is building. Which sentence could describe the cement Devin bought? He bought 6 bags of 2 pounds each. He bought 5 bags of 2 pounds each. He bought 6 bags of 6 pounds each, or he bought 2 bags of 12 pounds each. I need more answers. Think. 5 seconds more. Let's check the answer. Okay. So, okay, well done. So first of all, let me give a star to all of you. Well done. All of you got it correct. So yes, Devin bought 12 pounds of cement for the deck he's building. So see, that's why. See, he bought 6 bags of 2 pounds each. So 6 bags, I told you, each means for every bag. So that is times here. So 6 times 2 would give us 12. Well done. Seeing you, all of you getting correct answer. Excellent. So now I think so everyone is going to get a correct answer. Let's see the scoreboard now. Wow. Shiad has the highest streak of 7. Jazz, Jamupan, and India Mistan. Well done. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Moving on to the next question. 8 out of 20 question. It's a multi-select question. Which of the following statements are true if unknown, that is a question mark, is replaced with the number 4? See here, the question mark should be replaced with the number 4. And if it is replaced with the number 4, which statement is correct? Don't hurry up. You have 45 seconds more. It's a multi-select one. It will have more than one correct answer. Don't hurry up. Think about it and then do. The question mark must be having the number 4. Though everyone has given the answers, you have time if any one of you has, I think one of you is left to give the answer. Okay. So that was a good one. Let's see. Okay, so let's see how many of you got it correct. So see, you have to understand this thing very carefully. What is given to us? Okay, 4 times 1. See, 4 times 1 equal to 4. So that is a correct answer. 7 times 4 equal to 28. So that is a correct answer. And 4 times 5 equal to 20. That is also correct answer. But 6 times 4 is not 16. It is 24. So this is incorrect. I hope you have understood what is it. So all these three had to be selected. Only then your answer would have been correct. Let's see who is the one, or has anyone? Okay, just, oh, no one yet to come up with Shiad. But yes, very good, Jamopan and Manani. Very good, Manani. Well done. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, see, Anne's answered the problem 6 times 0 as shown below. Determine if she's correct and select the best reason for your choice. So it is given 6 times 0 equal to 6. And the reason is there are 0 groups of 6 each, which means there are 6 left over. You have to select, if you have to say whether it is correct or not and give the reason for it. Think about the answer. Okay, so we are good with it. Okay, so 6 of you are correct. So think about this. What is given to us? It was given to us that 6 times 0 is equal to 6. It is incorrect. 0 times any number would be 0. So it is wrong, and Anne's answer is wrong, and explanation is also wrong. So only 0 is the answer. So that's why this is the correct answer. So no problem, but be very careful in multiplication. Any number multiplied with 0 will give you 0 itself. So be very careful in this one. Okay, let's see the scoreboard now. Okay, Aisha has come up. Jamupan has got a streak of 9 correct answers. Well done, but Shia is again on top. Let's move on. The 10th question out of 20. Enter the value that makes the following equation true. Dash times 6 equal to 6. Dash times 6 equal to 6. Okay, so that is okay. Very good. 10 of you got it correct. So what was the problem here? So see, dash times 6 is equal to 6. That is 1. 1 times 6 equal to 6. That was a very easy question. So that is the answer for this question. So yes, let's see the scoreboard. Okay. Jamupan and Jas has come on top, and she had no problem. We have more questions here. Okay, very good. Moving on. 11th question out of 20. It's a multi-select. Which of the following expressions are equivalent to 4 times 8? Which of the following expressions are equivalent to 4 times 8? Four times 8. Think. It's a multi-select. Only 8 of you have answered. 4 times 8. Okay, let's check. Oh, okay, let's see. What's the problem here? 4 times 8. That is 4 times 8 can be written as 8 times 4 also. And 4 times 8 or 8 times 4 will give you the answer 32 also. So this is an expression which is equivalent to 32, also to 8 times 4. That's why both these answers are correct. So the student who gets both the answers correct would be the first person to get it correct. Let's see who is the fastest fingers first here. Okay, Jamopan is again, and Jazz has a streak of 9 correct answers. Very good. Let's move on. The 12th question. Which expression is equal to 3 times 21? Sorry, 3 times 7. I'm really sorry. Which expression is equal to 3 times 7? It's a little bit maybe a confusing one. Just check the options and then answer it. You have time. Don't hurry up a lot. You have 35 seconds more. Okay. 9 of you have answered. 10 of you have answered. Let's see. 10 seconds. Okay, so I told you to be very cautious of this answer. It should be 3 times 7. So see this one. 2 times 7 plus 1. It is 1 times 7. So what can we take? We can take here 7 as the common number. I take the 7 out. So then I get from here, it will be 2 and then it will be 1. So it will be 7 times 3. That's why we get all these answers. Okay, or 7 times 3 could be 21. So you can just check here. This is 14 and this is 7. So 14 plus 7 would give us 21. Did you all understand this question? Is it clear to everyone? Can I get a thumbs up from you if you have understood? Great. Well done. Very good. So moving on to the next question. Before that, let us see the scoreboard. Okay, Jamopan is again on top. Very good. Well done. But I want others also to buck up. Let's move on to the next question. We are on 13th question. Which equation has the same unknown value as 40 divided by 5? This question mark, whatever we are going to get the answer for the question mark, it can come in any of these. The question mark should have the same value as the answer for this question. Okay, 6 of you got it correct. So see, first thing you have to answer that. What is 40 divided by 5? It is 40 divided by 5. It has to be an 8. So see this one. For 5 over 40 is not 8. 40 times 8 is not 5. But it is 8 times 5, that is 40. So we must get the answer in the question mark. We must get 8 here. And also 8 divided by 5 is not 40. Therefore, this is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to everyone how to do this question. Yes or no? Okay, let's move on. Okay, Shia is yet back again. Let's see. Very good, Jamopan. You are yet again on top. Jazz has a streak of 13 correct answers. Let's move on. Okay, a soccer camp has 36 players. The coach wants to place the players into 4 equal groups. Select the correct expression. 36 players and 4 equal groups. Think. 36 players, only 16 seconds more. Thirty-six players and 4 equal groups. It's an easy one. Equal groups. Think. Okay, very good. Everyone got it correct. And that is 4. Okay, 4 equal groups we are getting here. Okay, so we have this one is correct. 4 times dash equal to 36. And that is correct. And we know that 4 times 9 equal to 36. So very good. Well done. I hope you understood this question. Very good to see everyone getting the correct answer. Let's see the scoreboard here. Okay, Jamopan is yet again leading. Shia is just behind. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, Very quick now. Decide whether each equation is true or false. 4 times 6 equal to 24 divided by 6. Is it true or is it false? Is it a true or is it false? Okay, 5 seconds more. Oh, that is an equal. What was the question? Let's see the question. 4 times 6 is 24 and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Are they equal? They aren't equal. They are not equal. So the answer is false. So this equation means the LHS should be equal to the RHS. So be very careful. Okay, let's check. Okay, Jamupan is again on leading. Very good. Let's move on to the 16th question very quickly. Round 417 to the nearest 10. Round 417 to the nearest 10. Okay. Bravo, everyone. You got it correct. And that is 420. Well done. Very good. Let's see. Okay, yet again, Jamupan. Jazz and India Sopar has come up. Very good. Let's move on. 17th question. Okay. Barbara baked 65 cookies on Monday. On Tuesday, she sold 29 of the cookies. How many dozens of cookies is left? She baked 65 cookies on Monday. On Tuesday, she sold 29 of the cookies. How many dozens of the cookies is left? Only 10 seconds more. Okay, so let's see. It is 3. Okay. See here, totally 65 cookies. She sold 29. So it comes to about 36 and 1 dozen equal to 12. So 36 divided by 12 would give us 3. So that is why 36 divided by 12 would give us 3. That's why 3 is the answer. 1 dozen equal to 12 units. So remember this, 1 dozen equal to 12 units, everyone. Okay, so let's see who is. Okay, Sopar has come up. Jamupan is yet leading. We have 2 more, 18 and 20. 3 more questions. Let's see. Read the question now. What unknown numbers complete the pattern on the number line? Enter one value in each box. You have to see the pattern. Check the pattern. Okay, let's check the answer here. Okay, so here as you see the one, here it is 8. Okay, 8, 12, 16, and then it would be 20, 24, 28, and 32. It's a multiple of 4 here. Okay, 8 plus 12, then 4. So remember, see the pattern and then do the equation. Let's check who is leading now. Jamupan is again leading. The second last question. Round each number to the nearest 10 and subtract to estimate the difference. Each number should be done, rounded to the nearest 10, and then you have to subtract each number. Quick answers from your side. Okay, only 7 of you got it correct. Let's see here. Okay, so each of them has to be to the nearest 10. So how is it? 343 would be 340 and 228 would be 230. So what is it? You have to subtract it. 0, 1 and 1. So it will be 110 is the answer. And so each number has to be taken out. So let's see who is leading now. Jamopan, well done. Very good. Shiad is just behind. And the last and final question. Donna has 72 grapes in a bag. She adds 37 more grapes to the bag. About how many grapes are in the bag now? It is about, not the exact. You have to round it now. Round it to the nearest. 72 grapes, 37 added more. About how many grapes are in the bag now? It's the last question. Be very much, okay, think about it and then answer. Okay, so it is 72, 37 added. So it is 109 and it is to the nearest. You have to round it now. Which is the nearest one? It is 110. That's how we got the answers. Okay, 9 of you got it correct. Only 1 of you got it wrong. Let's now check the podium, everyone. We have in third place Jazz. Second place we have Shia. And the first place we have, who is in the first place? It is Jamopan. Very good. Okay, Sopar and Manani is also there who have won it. Well done. Good to see all of you here. Okay, great. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session. Yes or no? Did you enjoy the game? Excellent. So we did it. So congratulations on successfully revising. So successfully revising this one. And it was great to be here. So operations and algebraic thinking is over. But what is next?